Hey, welcome to Mr. Whaley, and I'm sharing a student's day 3 work on their project, their nutshell project. This is in the daily self-tracker that they record, they document the learning targets that they hit each day. If you don't know your learning targets that you're going for, then you ask me in the Zoom call. Ask me early and find out what in the world am I supposed to be doing. This student knows and so they could describe their specific learning target that they were hitting and how they did it. So their first day of work, they chose the first room. How did they research? They listened to the NPR link that I shared up above in the orange row, and they listed their 7 items, their 7 clues. And I can see that if I scroll above, I can see their 7 items on the left. You see, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All gas jets, and this is in the evidence items or the clues. Then the second day of work on the project, they researched possible causes of death and analyzed the crime scene evidence and the body in the scene. Now here, I would prefer they said by, and how exactly did they do that? Now, because they did a pretty good job. They were immersed in it, but I want them to be able to take it with them, what they did to do that. Look, for one, right here, they jotted down notes. I don't know if they didn't know where to put it at the time, but they were watching the video and oh, this is good stuff. And so they were typing this information in there. Or maybe that was, actually, I think this student was working on it in a different document. Regardless, and I think there might still be pasting in here. They've done further work. But they were analyzing, like right down here, they were analyzing the crime scene evidence and the body in the scene by forming questions. Was this a mistake that the gas jets are on? Was it a cover-up? Could the husband have done this and set the scene up? And so then they research possible causes of death. And so you can see that the results of their research over here in the third column. The gas jets could be associated with the redness of Mrs. Barnes and the telltale sign of asphyxiation. And then here's more evidence of their searching for explanations for and searching for possible answers to their processing questions. So back here on day 3, they watched the 3 videos of Mr. Whaley's channel. Then they further researched their room from different angles of the crime scene to see if I saw more evidence. I came back and revised some of my work. So that's their day 3. They're going to get 3 grades for their work up above. Even though some students may have gotten more work done, or some students may have gotten less work done, still they're recording a good full class time's worth of work in their tracker. And so and they're using the same verbs from our learning target. I didn't go over that for this last one. We do see research, right? I think what they mean is examine maybe, or analyze the room, and then revise. Like, how did they revise the work? So we can go up to this. Oh, I don't have it on this document. The learning objectives. All right. So use some of these verbs, like I formed questions to help analyze. So use some of that language up there to describe what you did. And get your 3 big hundreds for this project so far. If you're finished with those with that data table, you can start on the sketch, which is due the first thing next week. So sketch. Click on this link to the rubric to find out how to do the sketch. Thanks. Bye. Oh, pay attention. Stay safe and make it whale money.